So hi everyone, today we are going to solve this question, partition string. The question is, given a string S, partition it into unique segments according to the following procedure. So I'll explain the question by taking this example. All right, let's take the example A, B, B, and four C's are there and a D. All right, C, 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 and D. This is an example. What you have to do is, you have to make segments. So let's say at first, let's take a segment. Can you see this A in this segment? No. Then you have to push this into the segment A. Let's say you store this A into temp T P. First you store this into temp. Do you see this in segment? No. Then what you will do is you will store this into this segment and you will remove. It means you will make temp empty. Now here we go and push into the temp. Do you see the in this segment? No. Then you will push this into this segment and you will make this empty. You will make this empty. Now here you will push this here. Do you see this in this segment? Yes, it is present. So you'll do nothing. You'll just go to the next character. C. You will temp becomes BC. Now, do you see this in this segment? No. Then you will push BC into segment and make this empty. Now, C. Temp becomes C. Do you see this segment in C? Sorry, do you see this C in this segment? No. Then you will push this C into here and you will make this empty. Now here, temp becomes C. Do you see this here? Yes, you see this. Then you will do nothing here. Just move to the next character. Now, if C, then concatenate this C into the temp. Now, temp becomes CC. Do you see this CC into the segment? No. Then you will push CC into the segment and make this empty. Now, next character, D. Push this into the temp. D. Now, do you see this in this segment? No. Then you will push D into this and make this empty. Now, you have to return this answer. This is what the question is saying. So what we can do is, this is a very simple question. You can either use a map or a set. What we can do is, see this. We will keep a temp array, or you can say it's a string. Let's say at first we are at A. We'll push this here. We will take a segment which is a vector of string, or it is for returning the answer, and we will also have a set of a string. It will store all the previous answers, and from temp we will check whether this next, let's say if D, whether this exists or not. If this does not exist, then we will push into the answer as well as the set. If this exists in the set, then we will do nothing. So let's just look at the code at once. Let's just look at the code, then we can understand it. Here, see this. We have taken a set, we have taken the empty string, and we have taken a vector of string as answer. Now, we are at first character. We will concatenate this into the temp, and we will check whether this exists into the set or not. This does not exist. Then what we can do is, we'll push the temp into the answer. We'll also push the temp into the you can say set and empty the temp. Why we pushing in both of them? Because one, we will give answer from here, and set is used to check whether the next element, or you can say the next string, will exist in this set or not. If, let's say, if we do not go into the if statement, we can say that we are getting the element, you can say we are getting the element in the set, then do nothing. Just next time we run into the loop, and we can simply concatenate from here, we can simply concatenate and again check. In this way, you can give the answer. So this is a very simple question. This also came in weekly contest of 29th. So thank you.